Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. These are some things that you haven't thought about before, especially how they affect your hair health. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Cabbage is a fantastic source of vitamins and minerals. It consists of high levels of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune function and helps to protect against infection. Cabbage also includes vitamins K and B6, both of which are essential for preserving healthy bones. In addition, cabbage is a nice source of dietary fiber, which is vital for promoting digestive health. There's something about the sound of rain that only makes you want to sleep. And it turns out, there's a good reason for that. Listening to the sound of rain can actually help you sleep better. The sound of rain can help to mask any other noise that might be keeping you awake. If you abide in a city, for example, the sound of rain can help to drown out the honking of horns and other city noises. As we all know, fruits are good for our health. They are an amazing source of vitamins and minerals, and they can help to boost our immune system. Grapes are a generous source of antioxidants, which can help to protect our cells from harm. They also contain compounds that can help to alleviate inflammation in the body. In addition, grapes are a good source of fiber, which can help to contribute to digestive health. If you're trying to find a way to show yourself some extra deep affection and care, try massaging your forehead. There are pressure points on the forehead that correspond to different parts of the body. Massaging these points can help relieve pain or tension in those areas. Some people believe that regular forehead massage can even help enhance overall health.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.